Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a refreshing summer drink. For that I'm going to take wheat rava 1 cup, which is the broken rava. I'm going to wash it well till the dirt and the small particles present in the rava gets drained well. It is necessary to wash the rava before the usage. Now I'm going to drain the water. After draining the water, I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water to the rava and I'm going to soak it. As we are using the hot water, the rava gets soaked in 20 minutes. And if you see now, the rava has come up. It has turned into a soft texture. So now I'm going to add the rava along with the soaked water. That is very important. And I'm going to grind it well into a smooth batter. So now, after adding the entire rava mixture into the mixer jar, grind it very smooth. And now, if you see, I'm going to just filter the rava particles separately and the rava milk. If you see now, you can see the particles that are present in the rava in the filter, and down goes the rava milk. To a kadai, I'm going to add 400 liter of normal milk that we use daily, and along with it we are going to add the rava milk that we had strained and kept. So now switch on the stove and start cooking it. Please do get note of the lumps. Don't allow the lumps to be formed. Let the mixture thicken. Once the mixture starts to get thickened, you have to cook only 2 more minutes so that the consistency of the smoothie that we are going to prepare will attain. So now after 2 minutes, to check the consistency, you have to just see the line, draw a line and see, and to see it is firm or not. If it is not firm, please check and cook it for 2 more minutes. If it is firm, then you can switch off the stove. To the mixture, I'm adding palm sugar, that are 3 spoons for the sweetness. Switch off the flame and add the palm sugar so that the lumps will not be formed. After it gets cool, I'm going to add the mixture into a mixer jar again. For the color and the fragrance, I'm going to add beetroot 1/4 cup. For a better flavor and a better smell, I'm going to add 3 cardamom. And now I'm going to add cold milk 1/4 cup. So now I'm going to just grind them into a smoothie. As we have added beetroots, they are commonly known as beets, are a vibrant and versatile type of vegetables. What's more, they are delicious and easy to add in your diet in dishes like roasted beets, fried salads, etc. It helps to lower the blood pressure. So now, if you see, our simple summer drink is ready. We haven't added any food color, essence or flavoring ingredient to it. All are just natural. Beets are particularly rich in folate, a vitamin that plays a key role in growth, development and heart health. It is also involved in bone formation, nutrient metabolism, brain function and more. So please do try this recipe in this summer. Keep yourself hydrated. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon below so that you get my future videos. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.